Genital herpes. How does the virus go dormant? Imagine a virus that can hide inside your body for years without causing any symptoms. That's exactly what happens with the herpes simplex virus that causes genital herpes. When the virus first infects the skin or mucous membranes, it replicates rapidly, causing sores or blisters. But after this initial outbreak, the virus doesn't just disappear. Instead, it travels along nerve fibers to nerve cell clusters called ganglia near the spine, specifically the sacral ganglia for genital infections. Once there, the virus enters a dormant or latent state, meaning it stays in the nerve cells but stops actively replicating. In this dormant phase, the virus's genetic material remains inside the nerve cell's nucleus, but it's kept in check by the body's own mechanisms. The viral DNA is wrapped around proteins called histones, forming structures known as chromatin. Chemical modifications to this chromatin, such as adding repressive marks, prevent the virus from producing the proteins needed for active replication. This process effectively silences the virus, making it invisible to the immune system and preventing it from causing symptoms. Unlike in skin cells where the virus produces proteins and new virus particles, in nerve cells the herpes virus cannot do this because key viral proteins like VP16 cannot enter the nucleus. Instead, the virus produces a special RNA called the latency-associated transcript, which helps keep the virus in its silent state and supports the survival of the nerve cell. The immune system also plays a role in maintaining latency by releasing molecules like interferons and proteins that help keep the viral DNA tightly packed and inactive. However, this silent state isn't permanent. Certain triggers such as stress, illness, or immune suppression can disturb the balance and cause the virus to reactivate. When reactivated, the virus resumes replication, travels back down the nerve fibers, and causes another outbreak of sores or blisters on the skin or mucous membranes. This cycle of dormancy and reactivation can continue for life. In summary, genital herpes goes dormant by hiding inside nerve cells where its DNA is kept in a tightly controlled, inactive state. Both the virus itself and the immune system work together to keep it in check, allowing the virus to persist silently in the body until something triggers it to wake up again. Understanding this process helps explain why herpes is a lifelong condition with periodic outbreaks, and it highlights the importance of medical management and ongoing research to better control the virus. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment options.